With so many distractions in modern day life, it can be hard to disconnect. With more technology requiring more attention, with so many social media notifications, we are constantly stimulated. It sometimes seems we have a never-ending list of electronic devices vying for our attention. Practicing Yin SUP can help us press the pause button, restore and recharge, and return to our busy lives with more bandwidth to cope with the pressures of a modern lifestyle. So, what is Yin SUP? Yin SUP is the practice of engaging in paddleboarding with a Yin mindset, incorporating principles of stillness, mindfulness, and receptivity. The following are some ways to practice Yin SUP by embracing the principles of Yin mindset while paddleboarding. Embrace stillness. While paddleboarding can be a physically demanding activity, it can also be an opportunity to embrace stillness and connect with the natural world. Instead of rushing through the water, try slowing down and taking in the scenery around you. Take time to pause and breathe deeply, feeling the rhythm of the water and the movement of your board beneath you. Practice mindfulness. Paddleboarding requires a certain level of focus and mindfulness. Try focusing your attention on your breath, your body, and the movement of the water around you. Notice any sensations or thoughts that arise without judgment or distraction. Cultivate receptivity. Paddleboarding can be a great opportunity to practice receptivity, being open to whatever arises in the moment. This might mean adjusting to changes in the wind and water conditions, or simply being open to the sights and sounds around you. Try to approach your paddleboarding practice with a sense of curiosity and openness, without trying to force or control anything. Honor your boundaries. While paddleboarding can be a fun and rewarding activity, it is important to honor your own boundaries and limitations. This means recognizing when you need to take a break or when conditions are too challenging for your skill level. By respecting your own needs and limitations, you can cultivate a sense of self-care and self-compassion. Embrace balance. Like yin and yang, paddleboarding involves balancing two opposing forces, in this case, the water and the board. To practice balance, try to find a rhythm between your movements and the movements of the water. Allow yourself to sway with the motion of the water, while also maintaining a stable and centered stance on your board. Connect with nature. Paddleboarding is an opportunity to connect with the natural world, from the gentle lapping of the water to the sound of birds and wildlife. Take time to appreciate the beauty and power of nature around you, and allow yourself to feel a sense of awe and gratitude. Bring awareness to the 5 senses. As you paddle, spend 1 to 5 minutes focusing on each of the 5 senses in turn. Sight. What is the closest thing that you can see? What is the furthest thing that you can see? What are the different colors in your surroundings? What plant and wildlife can you see? Touch. Appreciate where your body is in space. How are you connecting with your SUP? Are you sitting, standing, kneeling? How is the water and your SUP interacting? Is the water still and glass-like, or is there a gentle movement? Is there a breeze or heat from the sun on your skin? What other sensations do you feel? Hearing. What noises can you hear? Is there wind whispering through the treetops? The call of birds or animals? Can you hear other people paddling, swimming, using boats, or enjoying the water's edge? Is there the gentle sound of waves lapping against the side of your SUP? Smell. Can you smell the water? Are there light fragrances of trees or freshly cut grass? Is the air thin, crisp and cool with the fragrance of rain? Can you smell cooking or perhaps sunscreen? Taste. Can you differentiate the sense of taste from the fragrances you can smell? Do some of the fragrances trigger a sense of taste? Is there a taste of salt water in the air? Do you have a mid-paddle snack or drink to enjoy, and study the flavours within? Yin SUP can be practiced in calm, sheltered environments, incorporating principles of stillness, mindfulness, receptivity, honouring boundaries, balance and connection with nature. By approaching paddleboarding with a sense of calm and openness, you can deepen your connection with the water and the natural world, while also reaping the physical and mental benefits of this rewarding activity. I hope you enjoyed learning about Yin SUP. While you're here, check out some of these other videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you next time.